going about 2 miles out today in the middle of Long Island Sound. I just ran across a couple schoolies. I'm gonna, now the light's up, I'm gonna cast around here for a bit and then head over to a little more structured area for the day and focus mainly on fluke, but we'll see if we can get on some striped bass as the sun's coming up. One thing I did differently this year is I found a used 2019 Mirage Drive. The one that I had with the kick-up fins was kind of driving me crazy. They kept like bending out all the time. I was like constantly pushing them out, and this does not have the kick-up fins, and I'll tell you what, it's noticeably faster. Like I just got to 5 miles an hour against current with very little effort, which is, I don't know, I noticed it immediately. So confused right now. I'm gonna switch to the bigger profile, I think, and try and weed out some of these little guys. Oh, he slipped out of my hand, but he is ready to go. All right, so I know it's weird to be going away from fish to find fish, but there's so many of those small stripers back there that kind of want to leave them alone. I caught 2 of them. I think that's good enough. So I'm gonna go to a much deeper part of this reef structure area. I'm seeing a couple splashes out there and birds working it, so I'm gonna see if there's any bigger fish mixed in here and kind of hang on that side for the rest of the morning. Wow, that's a nice fish. I'm glad I went out to this deeper area. Oh, wow. So the water's 60 degrees. Beauties. See if we can get 2 for 2. Oh wow, you see that? Ready, buddy? Blitz. Blitz. A little spinach in there, a little salt and pepper. About slack tide, it's about to turn. So much better than eating cereal bars. Really good. There's like hundreds of them over here. Just need to stand up for a second. My legs are getting beat up. Small striper, little guy. This is a pretty nice bass. Thank you for your time. Yeah, kind of the same sort of size. Jeez. All right, buddy. You just woke up. Second I got you. Big fan of the corn nuts, especially the barbecue flavor. They are slamming. Wow. These robins are everywhere. I'm retrieving too quick for them to hit it, but they are everywhere. Oh, there we go. Whoop. Little schoolie? Is that a shake weight? Oh my gosh, it's a paddle. I thought this was a shake weight for real. It's a freaking paddle. I just got a free paddle. Yo, check it out. Dual paddles. Oh man, this is crazy.